No, look.
He knows what he's doing. Yeah. You got this. Sure.
I know right now the content is a little dry. New to my channel, I don't do the cutting up and you know, the highway takeovers.
Money gone, fuck friends. I need a homie that know me with all this motherfucking cops be on me. I got problems. Ain't nobody calling back. Now what the fuck is happening with my ball and gas?
That's for them young boys that don't mind getting arrested for, you know, reckless driving on the highway, or they don't mind losing their license because they only 21, 22, so they got time to recover. But me, I got responsibilities and I'm too old to be doing cut up videos and, you know, doing videos where the police gonna potentially lock me up if they catch me doing something crazy. You know, I don't know if any of those young boys who make those videos watch my channel, but be careful because they will use those videos against you in court. Because you're clearly showing your dashboard doing 110 on a highway and you're putting it on YouTube. So be careful if you're doing that stuff, man, I'm telling you. And those are the videos that's getting the views, man. Those videos consistently get 100,000, 200,000 views every time they upload that stuff. Because that's what people want to see. You know, they like watching other people take risks. But I'm too old for that, guys. So you're not gonna get any of that on my channel. Only time you're gonna get something like that on my channel is when my 300 come in. I take it to the track and you'll get some track footage. So for us older content creators, you know, we gotta get creative to make content for you guys. So I'm gonna start, you know, venturing out to some different things to help you guys. It's gonna be about cars, but it's gonna be about auto loans, different things that's going on in the car industry, how to get the best deals. I'm gonna be starting to do videos like that as well. Because again, I'm not ready to do those videos, well, I'm driving 120 racing somebody on the highway. I'm not ready to do that. So I just want to get that out the way. Because, you know, you got a lot of people that, like I say, people that leave comments. And a lot of time, guys, I don't erase comments. YouTube blocks a lot of different stuff people put on the comment section. But they got these filters built in now. So if you curse or if you say anything crazy, YouTube will block your comment. And you may see it posted, but it's not really posted on the channel in the comment section. They're blocking it. And I'm able to go through the comments and filter out stuff as well if somebody leaves something crazy. But for the most part, a lot of you guys are just 100. Y'all don't, you know, leave anything disrespectful, but you always got trolls and people who leave comments saying certain things. But again, if you watch my channel and you doing those highway videos, you're taking a big risk. That's all I'm gonna tell you. And I'm not about to do that for no views. That's why YouTube is not my, YouTube is a hobby for me, because being a car YouTuber, unless you're doing reviews, I'm talking about high level reviews or doing stream modifications, stuff like that, you're not really getting any views anyway. So that's why I like doing it I do it as a hobby. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy talking back and forth with you guys. So that's why I do it. So I'm not really worried about that, but be careful doing these highway takeover videos. But anyway, guys, once, you know, I get some more information on my 300 right now, they're not even building them yet, so it's a waiting process. So I'm going to be doing different type of videos. Like I said, I'm going to bring you guys different information of what's going on in the auto industry, different things. I get a lot of products to review, so I'm going to be doing videos like that. Hopefully you guys see something you like, something you can use, because that's what it's about for me, guys. Just trying to, if I find something useful, if I find something I think you guys can enjoy, or you guys may be able to benefit from, I'll do a video on it. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.